Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice piece that we're going to update. So follow along, subscribe, and watch us transform this piece. Alright, our first step is going to be to remove all the hardware and just check the piece out, make sure all the tracks are there, see if there's any damage, see if there's anything that we need to accomplish. So, let's get it all taken apart. We've got one long drawer and three small drawers, so let's begin. Alright, the piece is in overall good condition, so what we're going to do is just sand so we can get a good grip with the paint. So do a quick sand, do the whole piece. We'll take the sandpaper off the DeWalt sander and do all the curved edges and around the drawers, and then we can start vacuuming and cleaning it up, ready for paint. So, my favorite part, sanding. Alright, we've got it sanded down, wiped down, and it's ready for some paint. Today we're going to use Dixie Belle's paint. Aubergine is the color. It looks like maybe a dark purple yeah, we'll just go with dark purple on it. So, we're going to shake it up a little bit, put it on. We'll do 1.5 coats, probably 2 coats. It coats really nice with chalk paint. Usually you don't have to sand, but I still like to sand to give it the best grip that it can to it. It should be a pretty quick project. I'm also going to use my oval brush. So, let's begin. Alright, up next, we've got it painted and everything completed. Now we're going to put the hardware back on. I've got all of it sitting right here. Got all my drawers ready to go. So let's put the handles on, get it under the tree for some pictures. Alright, here it is completed. A dark purple in chalk paint. Looks amazing. I really like the transformation here, and it's going to look great in somebody's house. If you like this and many of our other projects, subscribe, like us on Facebook, and we're always looking for those comments to let us know how we're doing. So, hopefully we see this in somebody's house soon, and we'll start on the next project maybe tomorrow.